A warm welcome to all our viewers. Welcome to ISHM, International School of Hospitality Management. My name is Aviation. I am a faculty with F&B service, food and beverage service for the college. We all must have seen during celebrations when India wins the cricket match or Liverpool wins or any other team wins the match. We all see the players coming together and opening a bottle of bubbly. They open the bottle, the drink comes out, and there is celebration. We all term it as, let's open a bottle of champagne. Let's open, that's what people generally think about and talk about. We all can, then we get interested, we all go to the market to buy a bottle of champagne. And we see and we notice there is a bottle available for 1,000 rupees, there is a bottle available for 2,000 rupees, there is a bottle available for 50,000 rupees. So what's the difference? Well, there is a there is a wrong myth that many people do not know about the word champagne. There is a difference when we talk about wines, when we talk about different kinds of wines. The basic clarification of wines is a wine can either be a still wine or a sparkling wine. A still wine and sparkling wine, the difference, if I can put it simply, is nothing but difference between orange juice and Miranda or Fanta. Orange juice has no carbon dioxide in it. Miranda has carbon dioxide in it. This is the basic difference between still wine and sparkling wine. Now, not all sparkling wine is champagne. Shocked? Yes, you should be. Because that is what we think generally. Sparkling wine from the Champagne district of France, Champagne is a district of France, is known as champagne. Wine, basically, when you talk about naming of wines, when you look at a label of wine, it is basically named after various factors and various points that go into while naming a bottle of wine. A wine can either be named after the grape variety that is used for making the wine. It can either be a Riesling or a Sauvignon Blanc or a Moulin Rouge, or it can be named from the district from which it comes. It can either be a Burgundy, it can either be a Beaujolais, it can either be a Chardonnay, or it can also be a Champagne. So this is the myth that many people mistake, that if it is a sparkling wine can also be from India. Like for example, Marquis de Pompadour, which is the Indian sparkling wine. Of course, many people call it as Indian champagne. Now there is also a reason behind it. Marquis de Pompadour is made by Méthode Champenoise. That means the same method that is implied by or making of a champagne in the Champagne district of France, the same method is implied while making a Marquis de Pompadour. That means the same process goes while the vinification process or the carbonation process. That is why Marquis de Pompadour can be called as an Indian champagne. But again, that is a wrong misconception. You cannot have an Indian champagne because Champagne is not a district in India. Champagne is a district of France. That is why not all champagnes are sparkling wines, but not all sparkling wines are champagne. So this is something that I felt like sharing with you all. There are various other factors, especially in food and beverage. The knowledge of food and beverage is like an ocean. We in ISHM try to impart all these important small anecdotes to our students. For any further inquiries, please do visit www.ishm.co.in. We specialize in hospitality, tourism and aviation management, and looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you all.